I've been a lifelong painter. I like to think of it as painter because that's what I do. I don't presume I'm an artist. I paint, and I've been painting my whole life. I've always painted the landscape and sometimes still life, but that's because it's all about the presence of this kind of the presence, I guess. It's not just light, it's more than that. It's about the luminescence in presence. I paint in oil and pastel, cold wax, everything, but I feel more closely to pastel because as a teaching, for me, I love pastel. It's tactile. When
Yeah.
I paint like oil with my fingers too. It's like everything, I have to be in it.
Yeah.
And pastel is also, it builds quickly. You can work with all these concepts so quickly in different ways and experiment. With an oil, you have to wait for it to dry. You have to go on the next layer. You start the next one.
Yeah.
It's a different process completely. I'm not alla prima in any way. I am someone who builds luminous layers. There's at least 20 layers. It's with all kinds of goops and all kinds of stuff that I use with my pastel. Right now, so many of the people we're teaching are older because they've done the part of their life where they had to hold this certain job. They've had to make the money, and so they're like in this different place in their life. It's pretty exciting to teach older people who really they have a different kind of desire coming into it than you do with a younger person. I've taught portfolio students too, and that's like the world's just there and they don't really know what to expect. But then you have the elders, and it's a whole different awareness. I love teaching the elders actually too. I've taught all ages, love them all.